Hey guys, what's up? Welcome again to another video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook, Fresh PH Manila. Today we're going to talk about the upcoming Ultraboost 21. And I know the numbering is weird and I don't know why they changed it from the 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, and then they changed it to Ultraboost 19, 20, this 2020, and the upcoming 21 version. But before that, I want to check this out. This is from It's So Good. Let's check this item. By the way, I love the packaging. Very nice. This is a really nice packaging, guys. So, there you go. This is the static colorway. Look at that, the static. Really nice, guys. Looks good. The static. And then the Vanta. I'm going to do a review on this one, guys. There you go, Vanta. And then stickers. There you go. Look at that, guys. Get kicks. Ito. ISG. It's so good. Plate number style. And then this is a nice one. Yeezy. Another one. And then there you go, guys. Thank you. It's so good for always being my partner. So, let's talk about the upcoming Ultraboost 21. The photos came from... The leaks came from House of Heat. So, this is the upcoming Ultraboost 21. It does have a similar upper of the 1.0. This is the 1.0, the OG colorway, but this is the 2018 release. So they restock it last 2018, and this is a grail for me, the Ultraboost OG colorway. So it has the 20 Ultraboost OG pattern design, and then they still have that cage design. I don't know if this is the similar OG cage. Yes, I think this is the similar OG cage, not like the new cage of the 20 and the 19. Which one do you like, the newer version or this old version? For me, I prefer this old version than the new version of the 20 and the 19. But yes, the 20 and 19 version is not that bad. But having that old version style in the 21 version is a good idea. I think the OG guys will definitely cop this. I will cop this because of the boost midsole. So the 2019 version and the 2020 version has that new boost midsole, but this one, the 21 version, is a different kind of midsole. And I would say maybe it will be like this one, but looking at that boost midsole, this one is thick and big, and I'm very excited because it also has that rocker type to compare it to the Infinity React. Now they are now really battling Nike with this one, guys. I think this one is very interesting because of the new boost midsole. Look at that boost midsole, and I think it has that same solar glide layering on the boost midsole. Wow, it looks nice, guys, and it looks like the Infinity React. So somehow I'm excited. It's like a combination of the Infinity React and the Ultraboost. It's really weird times, guys. 21 version. So you have the white and green colorway. Blue one, look at that prime knit. It's not that bad. And then you have the white one with the green heel cap. A different kind of color of the midsole. I'm very excited about this, guys. This is something different. This is the thing that I love about this Ultraboost 21, because it's not similar. The boost midsole is not similar with the 20 and the 19, because the 20 and the 19 is almost similar in terms of boost midsole and the uppers. The 20 version has a small change in the upper, but this one I like that they modify the upper and put the OG, the 1.0 pattern on the upper. So definitely this is a cop for me this upcoming 21. Hopefully we will have an early release. That is normal. When they release something, it can be early December 20 or January 21. So there you go, guys. This is just my opinion. I'm very excited. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit that like button, and see you in another video.